everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into graphic editors in Bitrix24 site. So glad you see it, hit that like button and let's get started. Graphics editor in Bitrix24 site. Bitrix24 site has a built-in graphic editor. You can crop an image to fit the block, edit image, apply filters and add effects. How does it work? Upload an image to a block like this. Then click on edit button. Click on this pencil icon and down we have background image like so. First upload the image as you want. After that click on edit. You need to crop an image the way you need. You can save changes, edit the pic. You can apply filters, add text, blur the image, stickers, etc. Here we have some options: crop, filters, adjustments, blur and tilt shift, text, stickers, brush, frame, effects like that. So I will crop this here. After that I will apply a filter like we have some filters here, like the way you can adjust, blur the option. You can adjust these sizes also. After you have done all the need modifications, click on the apply at the top right corner. It will apply as you want and save this edit. Like that, Bitrix24 will apply graphic editors in Bitrix24 site. Thanks for watching it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.